I get so caught up in the middle.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a ton to do. The house just needs a huge tidy up. It needs to be clean, but I really only have time to tidy it up because Lenny's at school for 2 more hours. She's in preschool, what do they call that, twos or something? She's 2.5, so she's early preschool. Theo, my other little girl, is in her swing and she's doing one of those things where she's in and out of sleep. Any sound that she hears that I make, she's wakes up. So I have a ton to do because our weekend is jam packed, but I want to make sure that at least I can get my house kind of in order to at least to a state where I'm okay with it and not super anxious by all the stuff that's sitting everywhere. So if you two are on borrowed time and you have a lot of cleaning that you need to do, my hope is that this brings you some motivation, that it doesn't all have to be done at once. It doesn't have to be done perfectly, but as long as it's to a standard where you can walk in your house and you're okay with that and you feel good about being there without feeling like you have to pick everything up, then that's what I want to accomplish here. So if you're in need of some motivation, then just stay tuned.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. 2 heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, Just close your eyes and we'll be shooting stars. And you know I can't wait for forever no more. Now tell me, are you ready? Are you ready? Ready? Emotions repeating, though it's been so long. I know what you're thinking, I know. I wanna spend all our time now for better or worse.
So I would typically never apologize for too much natural sunlight, but I will say that it's kind of affected a few of the shots while I was cleaning the kitchen. So I do apologize for your sake, but for my sake, I love all of the natural sunlight that my house gets.
For you, I would give it all up, give it all up, give it all up. We both know it's too late, but I think you already know. 'Cause it shows that every time you're around, I try to stay on the low, but it grows. That crazy feeling that I want you here with me. I wanna push it on down, but it will not leave. It's like I'm losing my mind, turning wrong into right. Try to keep you away, but somehow, baby, you're still pulling me in, pulling me in. I'm like a moth to a flame, I should've known better, but you're pulling me in, pulling me in. There's something in those hazel eyes, there's something that I cannot fight. I try to keep you away, but somehow, baby, you're still pulling me in, pulling me in. It's like I'm stuck in reverse, crashing back into you. What's the use? I wish that I could unlearn all the things you would do. Let me loose in that old feeling that I want you here with me. I wanna push it on down, but it will not leave. It's like I'm losing my mind, turning wrong into right. Try to keep you away, but somehow, baby, you're still pulling me in, pulling me in. I'm like a moth to a flame, I should've known better, but you're pulling me in, pulling me in. There's something in those hazel eyes, there's something that I cannot fight. I try to keep you away, but somehow, baby, you're still pulling me in, pulling me in. The harder we fight, we go deeper. It's only
So I was super lucky today because my hubby got off work early. It was like around 11:30 or something like that. So it was Physician Appreciation Day at his office. So they got him a massage. So at 3 o'clock he was leaving to go get a massage, and I had to go pick Lenny up at 2:30. So all the stuff that you see me doing, I got done in a matter of, I don't know, it might have been an hour and a half. I really didn't have a whole lot of time, but I really feel accomplished by what I did get done.
There's something that I cannot fight. I try to keep you away, but somehow, baby, you're still pulling me in, pulling me in. laying down it to compile it. Oh no, I see you only when you're ballin'. Oh no, I don't even care to doubt. I'll see you in a while, cause this time I will choose you, yeah. Now choose. You know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk cause you're using it. You got all your secrets. I can seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out and I'm right back in the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway, waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I don't wanna seem to shaky. Oh no, like I'm sudden but unsteady. Oh no, and they tell me to move on, cause I deserve more, but still I wanna choose you, yeah.
So every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, Lenni has preschool, and every day that I pick her up, I bring her a smoothie. She now has come to expect it, and if I ever forget, she calls me out. So this only takes me a few minutes, and I bring her one, and she just is the sweetest. She loves it so much. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to thank you all so much. I recently hit my 10,000 subscriber milestone, and I could not be more grateful to each and every one of you. So thank you so much for all of your love and support, and I will see you in my next video.